Hey, so, yes, another video about go-kart racing. So, yes, we're back. This is probably the last race of the year. You can see the weather is great, and today's Saturday. I've been out here since Friday. Yesterday, kind of doing some training, setting up the kart, and kind of trying to build upon the good kind of not the good race results, but the good driving results from 2 weeks ago, from the last race 2 weeks ago. And I'm pretty excited so far. So I'm trying something different here. So instead of showing up only on Saturday and then trying to do all the setup work for the race on Saturday, that includes potentially running a couple sessions, finding out which gear you should be in, some handling setup. That's typically how the race weekend should go. But really in this amateur situation, you're mostly, as you can see, I'm gonna turn the camera around. A lot of people are just fixing go-karts that's falling apart. So I'm taking a different approach here. I said, I'm gonna come here on Friday when nobody's still here yet, and my crew, my go-kart shop is still very free. And then I'm gonna set everything up. I'm gonna fix everything that's potentially broken or maybe need maintenance, but finish everything by Friday to a situation where I don't need to run today, Saturday. That it's optional, it's good to have, but I can if I didn't want to. And this is working out really well, from the mental pressure point of view. You're not kind of like, layer of procrastination, like you're not doing it. Like, hey, my homework is done 2 days before it's due. Okay, so today I'm just kind of, relaxing. I'm driving, but I'm driving in a relaxed way. I know my go-kart's set up, in a good ballpark. Nothing's gonna break, and this is really working out well because today I think I'm the fastest in my class today. And of course, the winner from the last race isn't practicing today. He's not anticipated to race tomorrow. Maybe he will. Anyway, fingers crossed. And I'll probably not find another wood to knock on later. But doing well today because I'm driving well. I'm
Junior
confident.
206, you're on the grid. 206 senior and masters, you're on grid B.
But not the fastest, probably because the person who's been always the fastest in this class is not here today. But still very, very happy. Doing well, driving well, fastest out there in my class for today at least. And we'll find out how tomorrow goes. We like I said, we did a good job Friday. Got the baseline set up. And today we're actually doing what a real race weekend should be doing: setup work, understanding how we can get that finer point a little faster for tomorrow, condition for tomorrow. So as you just heard from the radio, I need to get on the track now. But I'm pretty happy, and I'll catch up with everybody in about an hour or two at the end of the day. Talk to you soon. Bye.